Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing.
Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup. It is soft grey cut crease eye makeup look. If you are wearing a soft grey colored attire, then please give this eye makeup look a try. It's very quick and easy. There aren't much eyeshadows in this eye makeup. I have done it using very few eyeshadows. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. First eyeshadow that I would be packing on my outer V is this one. I'm using a flat fluffy brush from Pack. Move the same eyeshadow towards the crease. Hold the brush very lightly when you're packing it on crease. Next I'm using this eyeshadow beside the first eyeshadow. This is in chocolate tone, it is chocolate brown. To deepen the outer V along with the crease eyeshadow, I have used this eyeshadow. Mix it well with the outer V and with the crease eyeshadow. Hold the brush very lightly. When you're moving it, move it in circular motion for smokiness. Next I'm picking black eyeshadow. To intensify my outer V, pat and begin blending. Dust the brush and begin blending. Move the brush in circular motion. Move it towards the crease. Next I'm creating half cut crease. I'm using concealer brush, Pro Art concealer brush to cut my crease. Clean half of your eye before applying grey eyeshadow on this. I'm using a very soft shimmery grey eyeshadow, this one. Cover whole of the concealer applied using the soft grey shimmery eyeshadow. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next I would be placing glitter. I'm using this glitter only on my eye mid. Next I'm creating winged eyeliner. Application of glitter is optional. If you want a glittery grey eye makeup look, then apply the glitter on the eye mid. If you want to keep it shimmery, go with the shimmery eyeshadow without packing glitter. After I'm done applying winged eyeliner, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Be very careful when you're creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner takes practice. Practice multiple times. The point here should be very sharp. Next I'm applying kajal on my waterline. This is Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Find links to all the products used here in the tutorial in the description box below. Smush the kajal on your lower lash line. Use the brown eyeshadow, the deeper brown eyeshadow, the second eyeshadow, that which I applied. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well. Hold the wand vertically when you're applying mascara on your lower eyelashes. Individual eyelashes are targeted and mascara application on lower eyelashes is easier this way, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like the eye makeup, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.